trouble here.
Just 'cause we're outnumbered 20 to 1?
Moderation, gentlemen.
We mustn't kill them
all.
Now what? It's the October Guard.
I knew it! Those sneaky Russian rats trying to get us while our backs are turned!
No! They're shooting at Cobra!
They're helping us.
They're helping themselves! Cobra's their enemy, too!
What is that? Whatever they are, I hope they're on our side. Ain't that something?
They sure are. But what?
Hold your fire!
Holy!
Hear me well, men of Earth. I shall speak but once. We have taken 2 specimens for examination. When we conclude our experiments, your planet will be informed of its fate.
Hold it! Who are you? Where are you from?
Our world circles the star Sirius.
Imagine taking Xamot and Tomax as examples of humanity.
Colonel Sharp's gonna have our heads. He sends us out to nab Xamot and Tomax, and what are we going back with? A story even I don't believe. On the other hand, the trip doesn't have to be a total loss.
I do not think the American likes us.
Good! I am not liking him. He is ugly. You say what I think you said? Yeah, you said it. Ow! Yeah!
Gung-ho, as you were! Gung-ho! Attach! Ha!
Yes, sir. Good. You stand like that. It's easy to hit your ugliness.
You will hit no one, Sergeant Horshaw!
Doc, Colonel.
So, you're Colonel Breakoff.
At your service. And you are?
Call me Duke. Looks like we've got a situation here, Colonel.
Duh. Our orders do not cover an encounter with you.
Ditto. Well, we could walk away and pretend it didn't happen.
Duh, comrade, I agree.
Just gonna let him go?
That's exactly what we're gonna do.
Do svidanya.
Within the last 24 hours, these strange craft have attacked a Russian oil refinery, American airfield,
Ladies and gentlemen, the President of the United States.
I couldn't help at one point in my discussions privately with General Secretary Gorbachev, when you stop to think that we're all God's children wherever we may live in the world, I couldn't help but say to him, just think how easy his task and mine might be in these meetings that we held if suddenly there was a threat to this world from some other species, from another planet, outside in the universe. We'd forget all the little local differences that we have between our countries, and we would find out once and for all that we really are all human beings here on this earth together. Well, I don't suppose we can wait for some alien race to come down and threaten us, but I think that between us we can bring about that realization. Thank you all. God bless you all. In our obsession with antagonisms of the moment, we often forget how much unites all the members of humanity. Perhaps we need some outside universal threat to make us recognize this common bound. I occasionally think how quickly our differences worldwide would vanish if we were facing an alien threat from outside this world. And yet, I ask you, is not an alien force already among us? What could be more alien to the universal aspirations of our peoples than war and the threat of war?